YouTube features every creator must know. If you're a creator on YouTube but not using these features, you might be slowing down your growth. Here are the most important features every creator must know to grow faster and earn money. First, YouTube Studio. This is your channel's control center where you check analytics, manage videos, and track your growth. Second, YouTube Analytics. It shows your watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate, helping you understand what content your viewers love. Third, YouTube Shorts. Short videos can reach thousands or even millions of viewers quickly and help you gain subscribers fast. Fourth, the Community tab. Once you reach 500 subscribers, you can post polls, updates, and interact with your audience even without uploading a video. And finally, the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to monetize your channel through ads, memberships, and live donations. Follow for more creator tips and start growing your channel today.